Today we're going to go through how Travis Scott's Butterfly Effect was made on FL Studio. This beat was produced by Murda Beatz, and for my Patreon supporters, the FLP and the stems are now available to you guys. This remake was difficult due to one sound, and that sound is like the most important sound that you hear in this song. In trying to find the lead preset that you hear in Butterfly Effect, which is this sound, I was going through all the remakes on YouTube, and I stumbled upon this video from I'm a Music Mogul where he plays it on the piano. On this video, I went to the comments and went Control F and just searched preset, and there were 6 comments, so I went through all those, and I found this comment. Found the VST, Synth Master 2 preset AR Table Bender. So I bought Synth Master 2, and this is the preset that he recommended. The preset is AR Table Blender. I know it sounds pretty similar, but that's definitely not the preset that was used in this song. So to that commenter, thank you for making me spend $200. So I continued to look for the sound, and while I was doing that, I posted a new beat called The Godfather. It's playing in the background right now, and someone commented on that video saying the exact preset for Travis Scott Butterfly Effect can be found in the Analog Lab preset bank loophole and is named Butterfly. And I was like, whoa. Let's spend some more money. The exact preset is actually called Butterflies, and it sounds like this. And as soon as I heard that, I was like, whoa, that's the one. But that's what it sounds like with effects. So completely dry, it sounds like this. Then for effects, we're adding some transient master, and we're taking up the attack to make that transient more plucky. Then some fruity chorus to make it a bit more spacey. Then we got some RC20 retro color, and we're automating the cutoff. So in the song, you'll see this move. So you can see in the song, we've got an automation clip on RC20 Retro Color. And the way you do that is you tweak the parameter, then go to add, go automation for last tweaked parameter, and that will add an automation clip for that parameter. And we're adding some distortion and some space reverb, then some Ozone 9 imager to increase the stereo separation of the sound and make the sound stereoized. Then some Fruity Flanges, which is a plugin that I love to use in my own beats. Then some EQs, so at the end it's going to sound like this. That's the main melody, but we're using this preset again for the higher notes as well. Then we have another identical preset. I swear to you, this is the one he used. If you listen to this and the original song, you'll be like,
yep, that's the one he used.
The preset is in Omnisphere. It's the Boys Choir R-E-U preset. Ooh, 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 and it plays this melody. For effects, I actually took this preset down an octave on pitch wheel, so this is what it sounds like without the effects. Then once you add pitch wheel, then we're adding some parametric EQ2 to get rid of the high end. So everything playing together so far. Ooh. Then we have the exact 808 sample that was used in this song. It's the official Spins 808. With your 808s, make sure that cut itself is turned on. That way that when one 808 is playing and a second 808 is about to play, the first one will cut off. I left this preset completely dry on the mixer. We're just turning it down to around -9 decibels. Then we have one more synth playing, and it's a bit more sneaky. Ooh, so it sounds like this. And you can find this preset inside of Expand 2. It's the sine pad inside of soft pads. That's the preset. So this is what it sounds like playing in the mix. So that's the whole sample. Now we're coming into the chorus. We have everything playing just as before. Then we're adding in the identical kick sample, and you can tell it's identical by comparing it to the waveforms of the original song. Since in the original song, the kick is always playing with the 808, there will be some damage done to the waveform, but you can still very clearly see that this kick was the exact kick that was used, and it plays this pattern. Then we have the identical rim shot, which sounds like this. And that plays at the start of every 8-bar loop. Then we have this clap sample coming in. Then we have some more claps, and Murda Beatz doesn't shy away from layering his samples, as you can see in his deconstruction of Motorsport. You can see he's layering in multiple clap samples here. That might be why I didn't find an exact sample, but these two worked really well together. So in the song, then we're adding in a basic two-step hi-hat loop. Then we're using this open hat from the BWB The Wave drum kit, which sounds like this, as well as this Murda Beatz perk, which is like a modified version of the Zay perk. And that's all the samples, so everything all together playing in the song will sound like this. So yeah, that's the breakdown. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you like the music playing in the background, you can check that channel in the link in the description. And if you want to get your own music playing on this channel, hit me up on Instagram and I will use your music in the background. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.